Mia. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Guys, I'm gonna do a cannonball here. Ready? Jimmy, look. Jimmy, come. I'm gonna do a cannonball.
Hurry up, I'm recording.
Hazel told me to do a cannonball.
Okay, go.
Ready? Oh. No. No.